This video covers the settings available on a settings screen in the PDspect app. You can get to the settings screen from either the opening screen of the app or from the app toolbar on the Choose Category screen. Let's go ahead and we're going to tap on Settings here in the top right corner and review all the options available. First, we have a spot where we can enter our username and our password, and then a button to test the cloud connection. You enter your username and password when you first get started with the app, and this is where it's stored. The Test Cloud Connection button is a helpful tool that you can use to determine if you have an active internet connection on the device, which is needed when sending files back and forth with the cloud. If you do have an internet connection, when you tap on the button, then it will say Test Successful. Next, we have an option for default image height. This is where you set how large you want pictures to be by default when they're first added in. Then we have two checkboxes. One for select first rating with description and one for take cover page photo. The select first rating with description is not used with vehicle inspections and can be ignored. The take cover photo option should be checked if you're including a cover page with your inspection reports and you want to include a photo on it. After that, we have font size and line height adjustment. You can adjust these settings if you want to change how large or small the font is on screen, as well as how wide the lines are. Tap and hold speed adjustment sets how fast items cycle through when you use tap and hold. You can make it cycle faster or slower, really just depends on what works best for you. Cost estimate settings is where you go to change the settings related to cost estimates. These settings are only relevant if you enter cost estimates, which most of our users don't. After that, we have a few more buttons. First is the show intro video. If you tap on this, this will pull up a video that gives basic info on how to use the app. Next, we have the change button. The change button allows you to change the device's nickname, and after that we have the reset license button, and this is to be used if you need to reset the license used on the device. And finally, we have a set screen to portrait and set screen to landscape. This allows you to change the orientation of your device. This concludes the video on the program settings available in the PDspect app.